The elevator cleans the surface of the potatoes from debris. The brush peeler peels the potatoes. Workers perform a second sorting of the potatoes at the manual sorting table. The processed potatoes enter the strip cutter and are cut into strips. The elevator then conveys them to the roller brush screening machine to remove debris. The screened potato strips enter the bubble cleaning machine to remove surface starch. They then enter the blanching machine at 80-90°C for blanching and color preservation. This is a complete French fry production line, fully intelligently controlled, saving labor and significantly improving production efficiency. The blanched French fries are blown off the surface moisture in the air dryer. The French fries enter the continuous fryer for high-temperature frying. The French fries are now ready for quick freezing and packaging. We welcome you to visit our factory and collaborate with us.